Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I am gonna show you how to make disappearing platforms, and so this is a kind of a spin-off tutorial just for disappearing platforms. So let's get started. Like, subscribe if you haven't. Alright, so first you want to place a part. Put this part, make it whatever size you want. Maybe here I'm gonna make a wall against any wall or any surface. Here, let me make this wall I guess cobblestone, or yeah, cobblestone. Okay, so make this wall any size you want, and then you have your platform. So I'm going to use 2 because we are going to do a little demonstration. I'll make this yellow so you can see it. Okay, so first thing to do is to call your part Vanishing Platform. And that's with the V and the P capitalized. Just telling you because I'm not going to edit this. Okay, now you want to insert a script into the thing. Name the script Vanishing Script. This script will show us, so this script will hide info of how to vanish, how to make it vanish and reappear. Okay, so delete, or just take it, push Control A, delete it. And now we are going to start a function. Local function appear. Okay, so what this will do is so we put oh wait, hold up, we actually have to do something first. Okay, delete that, sorry guys. Alright, but we will use something like that later. Okay, so first we make local vanishing platform equals script.parent. So what this does is it takes the script's parent, aka vanishing platform. It won't take it, if you group it, it won't take the parent of the parent like some functions or variables do. Instead, it will just take that. It will just take this little thing that parents are part. So then what you want to do is you want to go down 2 lines. Now you put local function keep in mind you can call it whatever you want. You just have to, and then we use the vanishing platform name. Then .can collide equals true, because you can. So you can't put 1 or 0 on this. You have to put true or false. So now I'm going to change the transparency to 1. So vanishing. Oops. Here, let me just hold up. I screwed up. Hold up. Okay, so I'm gonna rewrite that. Oh my god. Can collide equals true. Okay, now you do the same thing. Vanishing platform dot transparency equals 1. I know you might think this isn't necessary, but it actually is. So now go to line 6 where you have your end, if you did it right, and then type in another local function. This one is going to be disappear. I don't care if I misspell it, but okay. So local function disappear. Hit enter. Roblox auto script right will show you. We'll give you that. Okay. So now what we want to do here is we want to take vanishing platform dot can. This is why we did can collide on the other. You wouldn't need it if it wasn't a true thing. So just set it to the opposite, which is false. So once you set it to false, it should disappear whenever you play that function. So, but don't test your game yet, because we're not done. And it won't work without a while loop, which we'll make later. Okay, now do the same thing, but instead make the transparency 0.5. Okay, now go to the end and create a while loop, which is while true do. Okay, so we want to wait 4 seconds. Then we want to appear, wait 6 seconds, and play function disappear. And then just it ends automatically. Normally if I didn't put that there, I'd have to put that there. Or I'd have to put appear, wait 6, and then disappear. But that's aside from the point. This works probably the best out of what I've tested. Okay, so now this part right here should have that function laid down. I'm going to I'm going to lower it a little bit, like not a ton, but to where I can jump, well actually a ton, so I can jump on it. So now you want to take this part right here, or just whatever part's near, just pretty much anything, oops, okay, pretty much anything, push play here, base play, hold up, okay, I need to close it, tutorial stuff for YouTube, I know the name. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, I messed up something in the script. Okay, back to your script. So, appear 0.5. So, oh, I think I know what it is. So I need to appear, wait for, then disappear. Wait for, so the appear function needs to be wait 6. Okay, now we push play here, and it should work, hopefully. I know what I did, okay. It did nothing to do with that. Okay, we need to change this back. So I'm going to do wait for appear, wait 6, disappear. Okay, so what we did was we set it to 1. We really need it set to 0. I accidentally made it invisible. Don't screw up like I did. Okay, so as you can see now, we jump on it while it's here, and it works. And when it disappears, we can go straight through it. Okay, and also if you want to make this into an obby, I will show you how to integrate it into an obby as an obstacle course. So if you want first stage, I'd recommend if it's last stage, making it way harder, but... So you want to go into the other script, and instead of, if you're making a long pathway, you definitely want to change up some of this. Like change this to 7 or 5. And then we have an actual pathway stream of it. So, and you also want to use control duplicate or right click duplicate. So that way you don't have to rewrite the script every time, or you could also copy the info here, go to something else, paste info, but it's easier just to use control D. Okay, but that was it for me today. Make sure to like, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys later in the next one.